So in this MCQ, the examiner is asking you precisely a drug which is used in psoriasis that is specifically blocking the interleukin 17 receptor. So this is a very important point in this question. It is going to block the interleukin 17 receptor, right? So among the given options, please remember it is Brodalumab. So in this picture, you can clearly see that this is the very important cell in the etiopathogenesis of psoriasis, T helper 17, which is going to produce interleukin 17. And this interleukin 17 is a cytokine. It is inhibited by Secukinumab and Ixekizumab, and also by Brodalumab. What is the difference? The Brodalumab is going to act as an antagonist against the interleukin 17 receptor level, whereas Secukinumab and Ixekizumab, they are going to act as interleukin 17 neutralizers. So that is a slight difference which you must know related to this. A simple trick to remember: the Brodalumab has a R alphabet in it, and you can see that it is going to inhibit the receptor, interleukin 17 receptor. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do the like button for more such videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning.